What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about and do something once again a little different. I know you guys get tired of me saying that, but I'm an automotive YouTuber. We seem to exist over in sort of our own little separate piece of YouTube. It's not bad. There's not a lot of drama there. We provide a lot of content that actually do people some good in some way, but I'm also quite poor. And sometimes you just want to get some of those sweet, sweet trending dollars. So today is the day that we move the channel into the mainstream. Today is the day I become a real YouTuber. Wait a minute, that's not right. I've already screwed up. This is more like my normal intro. Oh, let me try this again. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something really super fun that you probably don't care about. That's better. That's more mainstream. That sounds good. So am I famous yet or what? No, in all seriousness though, I didn't actually shave or, significantly trim my hair just for this video. This is more of a personal thing. I am going to be having male pattern baldness, and it's something I'm not very comfortable with. I think the best way to deal with something that you're afraid of is just to make it happen, because you can't be scared of something that's already happened. All that aside though, we're here to be mainstream, not to talk about hair. So, what else can we try that's typical YouTube stuff? What about a mukbang? Mukbang, the eating thing.
Oh my God, we are so crazy for eating all this food. I feel like the craziest thing that we could do is eat this food right now. Seriously.
Okay, I'm not sure that translates over very well. Following a makeup tutorial. And you are beautiful. Even, you don't care what the kids at school call you. That looks pretty good. What's a setting spray? No, that didn't seem to work either. Story time. And do you know what he said to his friends that he cleaned his choke with? Toothbrush! Oh, wait, I've got it. Those weird, the lifestyle channels where they tell you about whatever weird thing it is that they have, or their relationship or something. I'm in a polyamorous relationship with my 2 cars, and most people don't understand, it's not for everyone. And, the problem child abuses me, but I know that it's coming from a place of love. Okay, so if none of that worked, the last thing I see the mainstream YouTubers do all the time, this has to work, is they do music. Well, it just so happens that I already had a music channel. I was in bands for years. So I'm gonna close this one out with a song from that band, which is called Untold Salem. The page's still on YouTube, but I don't really do much with it anymore. But so that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for indulging me and letting me do some stupid stuff this week instead of necessarily, you know, so much educational stuff. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video. Drop me a comment, drop me a like. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you are subscribed, make sure you have clicked the bell icon so you see when I upload. See you guys next week. Peace!